I'm so out of shape. Okay, guys, I'm ready to go home now.
Replacing all that aluminum.
squirrel. What the freak? Oh my god, I forgot this. Oh. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. So out of shape. Oh my god. Oh yeah. No, I'm out of speed. Freak. Abe, you see anything, Abe? Oh my god. Bug in my eye. Freak. Ah. Oh, I forgot about this part. Feet point, feet point, feet point. Oh. Man, the dream to have fat tires are a need right now. Man, I fell at this part. Ooh. I'm dying. I'm like Abe.
Now with the Copperhead. So man, I was in the middle of the trail. It was dark, crazy. There was water flowing down the trail.
Rain or water coming down?
Yeah, it was like a river.
And then it gets dark, so like that's all. I just like, you start pushing. So we're going out, and then I found the right spot, right? So back up to the intersection, so right there, like, I just don't follow right spot. So I thought it was easier than the right thing. So I followed it all the way. I was doing it, I started thinking, where the hell is this? It was like, if I go down this way, if I get lost or I fall somewhere, no one's gonna find me.
Yeah.
I'd rather just go to the highway.
Like you go on the highway, somebody picked you up. Was it a pickup truck?
No, it was just the lady in the SUV.
Oh, how did you get your bike in there?
The people pick you up.
Oh.
And then right when she was picking me up, the cop came. And he's like, yeah, there was people calling in, so there's a guy walking the bike on the highway. And so she took me back up to the exit, and I thought the thing came away from me, and then he drove me to the gate. It was already closed. He just drove me to the gate, and then I rode my bike in.
You had to ride your bike up to the park there?
Yeah, all I have to do is ride up to the gate and it opens.
Yeah. Well, going out, it's easy. Coming back, you can't get in. You guys good?
Me too.
Yeah, I think after COVID, I don't know, it's not the same anymore.
Takes a while.
Oh, we all got COVID. COVID hit us.
After that, it's like, I can't ride the same anymore.
Yeah. COVID hit me hard, man.
It hit me the hardest. I was out for 2 months.
You were the first guy.
Yeah, I was the first guy I got it.
Most of the Mongol church. You were probably the first guy.
Yeah, I was the first guy. Dude, jump on my high road. Yeah, he's about to fall over.
Somebody do a jump kick, you'll fall for sure.
Going on, look at what's going on.
Yeah, I should have checked.
Yeah, we're going to yeah. It's gotta be.
There's a guy out the road.
There's a big ass beaver.
I'm running on safety miles right now. I just gotta make it till I get home.
I think it's all downhill from here.
Maybe you're overheating because you got the inside and then that jersey too.
You need to take out the white shirt, dude.
Yeah.
Overheating.
Take
Take out the white shirt, put it in your backpack.
It wasn't just that. My gears keep jumping. It's annoying. If, like I go uphill, it switches.
Like clunk, clunk, clunk.
Yeah, whole time.
I'm doing that too. That's
I think Dow can hear it. Keeps jumping all the free. Makes it hard to go up.
Hey, I'm surprised how hard these shocks handle me. When I
like, tuk, 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 tuk.
This is another where the rock is right there. You coming down like.
You know all those when we go down here, I was really good. I was going to like you talk about like just boom, 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 boom. I was like, okay, not bad.
It's open in.
It is open all the way. No, it's open. It's not.
后面那个，把这下来。Open all the way.
Alright, go ahead.
Ready? Good.
Nah, I'll sweep. I'm running on safety miles.
Okay.
Where you guys go?
And I'm taking my time. Y'all can all go. All y'all can go. I'm done.
Go, yeah.
You go. You go. You go. You don't go anywhere. Ah. Ah. You better do some fancy stuff. I'm right behind you. Oh my god, these freaking gears! Oh, come on. Yeah! Oh! I'm just pacing with you. I'll get you on camera. You want to deal with my gear jumps?
Wait till we get down there.
Oh my gosh, this thing's even annoying. Ooh, fancy. Oh. Oh, okay, I gotta get used to this. Oh, the junk. Oh, so much better. Oh my goodness. What does this do? This is fun. Man, no wonder why he goes so fast uphill. Freaking full suspension. Oh, it's so nice. It's luxury. What's that junk?
What happened? Hey. What happened? You fall? Huh? What happened? Did you fall?
My knee.
Which one? This one?
My right knee, my right knee.
This one laying on the ground?
Yeah.
Did it hurt? Where does it hurt? Where does it hurt? Where does it hurt?
At the tendon. Ow.
This guy.
Twisted or
I don't think he twisted. I think he just... His knee landed first.
hyperextended? You hyperextended?
Yeah. No.
I landed on it.
Drink some water. Drink some water.
Drink water, dude. You got water? Drink water.
Oh my god.
Can you move your feet?
Yeah.
That knee's not broken.
I just can't bend my knee right now.
Did it break?
No.
Hey, can you take me there? Stay right here.
Oh my god.
Here, drink that bottle of water. Here, drink it. What was it, man? Here. Drink some more. Hold on. Just stay right there. Don't move. Huh? Here. Stay on the bike. Just lean against it. You don't need to ride on it. Just lean against it. Put your feet on the thing. Let it go to the bottom. Just put your feet, rest your feet on it.
No, just a couple more. I'll take the bike. Just a couple more.
Sit right there. Slowly move your leg like this. Slowly. Just to see if it hurts when you do that. Do you feel like bone popping? Huh? No, we're good. Just a little
Wipeout.
little wipeout. Yeah, we're good.
No, it's not this broken. You're good, baby.
Yeah.
You guys
Should be
have
all right.
Have fun, brother.
All right, you too. Thank you.
Just slide it down. Slide it down to my ankle.
Actually, you need it. You need to brace.
Can you put any weight on it? Ready? No?
You landing on here? That means that the bone's not broken. It just slim on the ligaments. Yeah.
I wouldn't strain it. I think it break nothing. It's tear nothing. You didn't hear no pop or nothing, right?
It was too loud. The bike fell on me.
That was you?
Yeah.
You went off the road where you were laying?
Can't wait till we see the video. Still recording.
Yeah.
Still let it record.
Oh.
You thinking you can walk along with the bike?
Probably just wobble.
I have to walk next to you. You hold onto your bike, I hold to my other bike, and then we just walk. Somebody's coming too.
Pick me up on the highway.
You okay?
Yeah, you're good. Very good. Yep. Thanks.
Thank you.
He was sliding too fast. You know that little crease right there? He went on top of it and it slammed him down. You're lucky you got the gloves on, dude.
I could push 2 bikes. I could push 2 bikes, man.
All right, come on.
Try to push one.
Let's see if we
and
can
try to
get-
lean on you.
Yeah. Maybe we can slowly walk. This way. You sure you can do 2 bikes? Downhill? No, Uncle, you can't even ride anymore. Hey, just let us carry 2 bikes you can ride. And then,
No, I can show you. You can push that one and let him lean on you.
yeah. Yeah, he's coming. Any more?
I don't think so.
Oh, it's only him screaming. Okay, stay here. I think it's best if you. Pull your feet, come down, and put your feet that's hurting in like this, and I'm on that side, so you can rest it. Hold to that. Can you do that? No, is it?
That's not bad. I'll deal with it.
Either that or you're gonna go to let's see. Maybe that's it. Maybe you just put, let's see. Let me try this. And then you do this. I don't know. It's the same thing. Just walk it. You don't have to put it on it. Put your feet in there. Just, yeah. Yeah, you never ride fast. Oh shit. It's downhill. You go right here, because we'll take people coming. Can you hop down? Sorry. Here, let me use, here, hold on, let me do this. I'm trying to do the easiest way. Take my shoulder. You just let me know if it's broken. Hold on tight. He's swiped. Bye, okay, man. I'll just hold it. Yeah, he's swiped. Those are lower, just easier. If we find your stick. Yeah, he flew. Yeah, you got to ride on the bike that you're used to, man. I did with Santana's bike the other day too. I went down hard. Here. Hold the shoulder. You can ride it, eh? Keep riding. I'll walk him down. Just not go too fast, okay?